Uptown Swing.
Level 2.
I'm Jeremy.
And I'm Stage.
And it was week 2 of
Musicality month, my favorite.
Yeah, my favorite too. Awesome. So we recapped what we did last week, and we talked about a new structure, AABA structure.
You guys were asking a lot of questions about structure, so this was a fun one. This is also one of the most common ones that you're going to find when you're listening to swing music of this era. We did some exercises. We talked about how to recognize it.
Super fun.
Clapped on the even beats.
That was wonderful. Nice job.
For the end of time, that's all we're going to do.
Try not to do it any other way.
We counted each other in at the beginning of phrases. Super fun.
Yep.
And next week, blues.
We're going to talk about blues next week, but you have one homework assignment,
Yes.
which is listen to 3 songs, 3 jazz era songs, and listen for songs and see if you can come up with an AABA structure song. See if one fits that structure.
And an easy place to look for those songs would be the Uptown Swing Spotify playlist. There's a jazz one and a soul one. Go to the jazz one, listen to them. They're nice dancery tempos, mid-tempo, so that'll be convenient. But if you just want to sit down and listen to them, they should be nice and clear too.
And we will see you next week.